So in this video we're gonna learn how to use the spot color in Photoshop. So I have this file open, the layer is called original, Control J for duplicate. So call it copy, and then we're gonna go select, and then subject. Okay, so now this is where the AI is selected for us. Let me hide this one. So there's a couple areas that we need to modify a little bit. Okay, so you click on selection, shift, and then we go around it, this, and then do it again. Okay, so this is good right now. Now we gotta click on this icon, the layer mask. Alright, now it looks like this. Okay, notice like the teeth here are kind of missing. So in order to fix that, you click on the mask, you click before brush, and then here you have to do X to toggle between front and back foreground color. So white meaning light, black means black. So if you want to add, you have to be on white layer. So you just do this on it now, like that. This is good. Okay. Let's say here, this is not good. Let's say we gotta remove some of that stuff. So let's resize this. Click X to toggle here, and then just erase here. Okay, just like that. All right. And now once we're done, all we have to do is just click on this, and then go to channel, new spot channel. I'm gonna name it Spot1. Hit OK. Click on this, and then Alt backspace. Oh. So if you click on this, it's selected, and now Alt backspace. That's it. Now this is the new spot color here. Oh no. You have to be on the Spot1 channel and Alt backspace. Now you can see it because this is the color for the Spot1 when we created that. See, this is the color. So if you change this to a different color, okay, so I only choose this color so I know which one it is. Okay, hit OK. OK here. OK here. And now file, save as, Photoshop PDF right there. And name it whatever you want to name it. Let's say Spot1. I already have it on the desktop. Yes. And then say PDF. And that's it. Thank you for watching.